So today we're going to be talking about the ATEM switcher, specifically the picture-in-picture functionality with these things. They come pre-programmed with picture-in-picture functionality, so I'm going to go over that. Then I'm going to show you how to make a custom picture-in-picture. I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's get into it. The example today, I'm using the ATEM SDI Pro ISO. So right here, as you can see, there's the built-in picture-in-picture button. So all you do is you hit the on button, and then that brings up the picture-in-picture. And right now, the upstream key, we have black assigned to it. And to change that, we go to the software and we assign our camera 3. I'm gonna bring it back up, and there you go. There's your picture-in-picture pre-programmed functionality with these switchers. But for a more custom look in the DVE panel, and I don't like the 16:9 aspect ratio, I like more of a square. So we're going to use the mask feature here, and I did this earlier so we don't have to keep clicking, but it's 10. Here, we're gonna put 10 to get that box, and then I'm gonna size it up and move it up, over, up, there, and a little back, and then the green border. I need to make these a different color if you want, but I like green. I think it looks cool. So there you go. There's your custom picture-in-picture. I hope you found that helpful. In the next one, we're going to be doing a circle picture-in-picture. And if you want to know more about upstream keys and downstream keys, I made a video last week that you should check out.